Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petit Coding. Hey, so last time we finished the UI that wasn't messy, so now we want to do the controls here. So what I want to do is, since these are UI images, I want them to have fighter image view has tap gesture recognizer. So I want them to have a tap gesture recognizer, right? View has one tap gesture recognizer. So what I'm going to do is make a UT, and first of all, I want to assert equal. I want to assert equal that. I want to assert that this is true, right? SUT that fighter emblem image gesture is user interaction enabled, right? So command U. I want to do this first. Okay, it is user interaction enabled. So after that, what I want to do is assert equal that SUT that fighter emblem image view that gesture recognizers, right? That count, those are one, right? Command U. Yeah, this is not working because I didn't put test here. Test fighter. That's why it's not. Always start with the word with the word test. Okay, so it says user interaction is not enabled. So I'm going to go to my emblem settings, and since this is being called in Vue load, we can do this fighter emblem dot is user interaction enable equals true, right? Command U. Okay, test is passing. Source control commit. Fighter image view is user interactable enabled. Okay, commit to files and push. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so we'll keep going with this command U that has gesture recognizers, at least one of them. And it doesn't have one, so this is a problem. We'll go to the emblem settings now, and I'm going to I just went and searched for this, how to add a UI type gesture recognizer. I'm going to copy and paste this code. So it says to add it like this, and then I need that selector, so I'll put the selector in here also. And instead of image view, I'll say fighter emblem image view. Actually, I don't need this anymore because this is true again, and here like this, command U. And as you can see, now it's building, and the test is succeeding. Actually, I don't need this right now, really. I just need to see that my tests are passing. So my tests are passing, so I'm going to commit. added gesture recognizer to fighter image view. Okay, commit to files and push. So every time I tap, I will go into that function. Okay. Now next step, what we want to do is, you see here, emblem setting test, view controller. This should be on the emblem setting test actually, right? No, actually it should be here. CT assert. Then I want to assert that my SUT, my support, image view is user interactable enabled, right? So command U. This should fail. You see it's failing right now. So I'm going to get back here, and I'm going to do the same here. Support image view that is user interaction enabled, and I'm going to say true. Command U. I may test are passing, so I'm going to commit this. Added user interaction enabled to support image view. I'll put everything just in case. Commit through files and push. Okay, so I want to push this because I've lost this, but since I have git control, I can still do this now, right? And final thing, I'll do this. I'll just do it here. Support emblem image view. Yeah, I did this wrong. Support emblem image view. Oh yeah, I need the test first, right? So I'll do this. So equal support image view dot gesture recognizers dot count should be 1 also. Command U. Yeah, I don't need that plus sign here. Command U. And I have an error here. It's not 1. So what I have to do now is here. Let me just do the same thing here. Command B, Command C, Command B. Let me see if this works. Command U. And it's still failing. Now it's failing to this other reason. And I'm going to tell you why in a sec. And the reason is UI image views can only have one type of gesture recognizer, so something I search on the internet is you can do this. Type recognizer 2. No, I'm sorry. No, Siri, not now. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. That's Siri. If I do this, then Command U. Command U. And it's working now. But I have this that's duplicate, and I don't really like that, right? So on the next video, we'll refactor this, and we'll show you how to change this so you can use only one action here, and everything that we do here, we're gonna test it, right? So we're very close, very close, but just let's keep going, okay? I just wanna do commit, right, and added 2 gesture recognizers to 2 different views. UI image. Yes. So yeah. So I want to push the remote also and commit 3 files and push. Okay, and that's it for now. yeah, the thing is, we're gonna fix that because that's horrible code. That's duplicating code and making two variables the same, and that's very, very, very ugly. We'll see that on the next video, how to refactor that, and we'll continue going with this. We're really close to this, so we're really close to finishing it. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe, and don't forget to put the notification bells to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.